Hey everyone, let's talk about those super flashy ads you've been seeing online, especially the ones promising super cheap car insurance if you drive less than 50 miles per day. On the surface, they sound great, but these ads often pop up like news articles or websites from a news organization claiming your state or even your local area may have a special new policy or law offering massive discounts just for low mileage drivers. But when you dig a little deeper, it becomes very clear that these are misleading at very best. There aren't any government backed 50 miles per day laws. And yes, insurers might give a modest discount if you drive less, but those tempting headlines are really designed to cast a super wide net and catch as many people in it as possible because most of us are driving fewer than 50 miles a day. When you click on these ads, you're often taken to a special website that is more just an advertisement designed to look like real news. And buried in the fine print, you're going to find a disclaimer indicating it's not really a news article at all. You're also going to see that things will become more concerning as you get into it, especially for seniors. These ads are highly targeted, sometimes specifically aimed at older adults looking for savings. They may be on fixed incomes or have a limited income. But once you submit your information, what really happens? Well, here's the bad news. Instead of a single quote, your contact details are then sold to agents and other insurance companies across the country, and you will be bombarded with endless emails and phone calls from agents desperate to make a sale at any cost. They will pretend like they've given you a good deal, but they're going to start cutting coverage until the price looks attractive to you. These ads are entirely built upon collecting and selling your information to others. Now, let's talk about the other side of some of these ads. There are also wild claims out there that insurance agents pocket nearly 80% of your premiums as commissions. That's not true for auto insurance or home insurance or business insurance. Maybe a small kernel of truth in that when it comes to things like life insurance policies. Oftentimes, there is a very generous first year commission paid to an agent, but nothing afterwards. But in reality, I'll just tell you the truth here, folks. Auto policies pay an agent anywhere between 8 on the low end percent and maybe 15% on the high end, but nowhere near the 80% these flat out deceptive people are when they are marketing to you. So in the long run, just beware of any of these agents that are out there or websites that are promising something that sounds too good to be true. They will cut your coverage down to nothing to get the price as cheap as possible just to get you hooked, and they won't do a great job of explaining it to you. And if you don't have adequate liability protections or the backing of a good professional insurance agent, it could end up costing you virtually everything you have saved up for your retirement, investments, kids' college funds, and more. These ads are not about saving you money. They're all about an industry that buys and sells data to other people, to agents that don't know how to build relationships with their customers, unlike the Wheaton Agency, where we like to get to know every single one of our customers. So if you're shopping for that insurance, especially as a senior, please be skeptical of these deals that sound too good to be true and protect yourself. Always double check what coverage you're getting for the price and never let an agent pressure you into sharing your details or accepting less protection just to save a few bucks. Stay smart and stay safe online.